Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, and guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Xiaomi, and this is a little brother of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro, and this phone is costing around 55,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 8GB of RAM with a 256GB of internal storage, and the 55,000 PKR is for the 128GB of internal storage variant, and that variant is costing around 60,000 PKR. And the color I have is the ice blue color. This phone is manufactured in Pakistan, which is a really good thing. Redmi Note 13 also has a high-res audio support. So this phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 685, which is not the fastest SoC I would say in this price range. Anyways, it is the box of the Redmi Note 13. This is the 4G model. We don't get a 5G model here in the Pakistan market. So let me remove the plastic first with the knife. Both variants will give you 8GB of RAM. So when you open the box, here's our one more mini box. So inside of this box, here's our simulation tool, and right there, here is our quick start guide as well as a warranty card. Here is our case, which is not a transparent, it is a soft silicone case, as you can see. Now let's start the phone from this box. And guys, these are the main highlighting feature of the Redmi Note 13. This one has a 108 megapixel with a triple cameras on the back, 120Hz Full HD plus AMOLED display. This one also has a ultra thin bezels on the front. We also have in-display fingerprint scanner, which is the first time we have an in-display fingerprint scanner. And the Redmi Note also we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 with a 33-watt fast charging as well as 5000 mAh battery size. Now let's start the phone from this plastic. And as you can see here, it's the ice blue color looks like. On the back we have a glossy finish, and the ice blue color really beautiful when the light is hit. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide with a 2 megapixel macro. In the back it is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. Now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So Mi logo is here. So inside the box, here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 33-watt super fast charger, a USB Type-C to USB-A cable. Nice to see that we don't get any hand-free inside the box, which is not a good thing I would say, but at least we have a charger in the box. And this phone also has a IP54 water and splash resistance. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone as well as a SIM tray. On the bottom we don't have any headphone jack. So when I open the SIM slot, you can see it is a hybrid SIM slot, which is a really disappointing thing. We should have a full-fledged, so you can use one micro SD card with a 1 nano SIMs or a 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a hybrid SIM slot. So on this side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have headphone jack with another speaker, IR blaster, noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side, volume up and volume down rocker with a power on a button. So on the back again we have a triple cameras. Overall, with this camera layout and this ice blue color, this phone looks really beautiful. And this phone has a 6.67 inch Full HD plus AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate with 1800 nits of peak brightness. Also we have center punch hole. Overall you can see the bezels, it is really thin on this phone, and the display is the main highlight I would say. Now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. So guys, here is the first boot of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. And guys, on the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a AMOLED display which has a 1800 nits of peak brightness, and the bezels overall it is really thin on this phone. So now let's go about phone. This one is running on Android 13 with MIUI version 14. We should have Android 14 on this phone. We have 256GB of internal storage, and this is the upper variant. We have a 229GB. It is available for you guys. Anyways, now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner, and this is the one of the cheapest smartphone here in the Pakistan market that has 120Hz AMOLED with in-display fingerprint scanner, so which is a good thing on default. And the refresh rate it is on 60Hz, which is a really disappointing thing. Now let's go 120Hz, and now let's look at the camera. And this one has a triple cameras on the back, 108 megapixel main sensor. So here's the main sensor looks like, and here is your 8 megapixel ultra wide, really nice I would say. We also have a 2x option as well as a 3x, which is a crop of the 108 megapixel main sensor. So here is the video mode. and the back camera maximum shoot only full HD at 30 fps. We also have a macro video mode. Here is the 108 megapixel mode, document, portrait, night mode, which is only available with the main camera. In the mode section, we also have pro mode, we also have panorama, we also have slow motion, and this phone has a 16 megapixel. So yes, in the front facing camera it is really decent, I would say, not the best. It's the video mode, and the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. And here's the portrait mode with the front facing camera. Night mode not available with the front facing camera. We should have a night mode with the front facing camera. I hope we should get a night mode, the software update in the future, I hope. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 33 watt super fast charging, and combined with a Snapdragon 685, this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use without any problem. Also, we have 33 watt fast charging. Overall, I would say about the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, this phone has a gorgeous AMOLED with in-display fingerprint scanner display, and combined with the Snapdragon 685 as well as with the 108 megapixel main sensor on the back, and this is the all-rounded phone. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.